In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to upload the highest quality Instagram Reels. Now, I'm going to be showing you two tips. Now, the first tip is to actually take high quality Instagram Reels and prepare them appropriately. Now, one of the things you can do is to not shoot Instagram Reel videos in 4K because Instagram Reels does not take 4K videos. It maxes out at HD. So if you have a video in your gallery that you took in 4K, so for instance, you have this clip, for instance, okay? And if you look at the details of this clip, you can see it was shot in 4K. And naturally, whatever you do when you upload this particular Instagram reel to this video to your Instagram Reels, it's going to get compressed using Instagram's compression. Now, you don't want that. So what you need to do is just go to a video editing software like CapCut. You can upload the video there and then tweak it and export it for yourself in HD. So let me just give you a quick example. So for this particular clip, let me go to CapCut. Of course, having the premium version of CapCut helps, right? So let's start a new project and let's go ahead and upload that 4K video. So let's add it to our timeline. There it is. You don't even need to edit it if you don't want to. But then when you go to the export menu, beg your pardon, it's already exported. So let's do that again. So just before you tap on the export button, you tap on this export menu, and in the resolution section, you want to make sure you put it at 1080p. Now, if your video was in 4K and you had, of course, the premium version of CapCut, it's going to attempt to export in 4K, okay? So you want to make sure you get that at 1080p. You can even get it at 720p, but 720p is a bit of a low resolution. So you want to put it at 1080p if you have the pro version. Now, some softwares will allow you to export in 1080p with the free version. So once you do that, you can now go ahead and export your video. Now, the other thing you can do is adjust Instagram settings. So if you go to Instagram and then tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three-line button in the top right, you should see settings and activity. And then you can scroll down all the way down to data usage and media quality. Tap on that. And then you want to make sure you enable this. So this will upload at highest quality. So always upload the highest quality photo and videos, even if uploading takes longer. So that's what you're enabling. You're telling Instagram to upload the highest possible quality. Now, this highest quality does not include 4K. It's maxed out at full HD. So you want to make sure you export your videos in full HD. So once you do those two things, you'll have the highest quality Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.